over the past decade really, I've been working on building up my own brand, and it's always been my ambition to develop and release my own skincare range and grooming range. You know, I think in the times we live in, every man wants to feel good, and I don't think we need an excuse, which is a great thing. You know, and you want to get up in the morning and you want to put your best foot forward, regardless of what it is you're doing that day. And putting a little bit of eye gel on, fixing your hair, just makes you feel good. It makes you feel ready to face the world. I'm also really proud of the fact that not only is it Irish made, but all these products are sulfate free, paraben free, no cruelty to animals, and vegan friendly. So the first item is a moisturizer with SPF 20. So there's a couple of active ingredients in this. First off, there's caffeine, which reinvigorates and stimulates the skin. You've got hyaluronic in there, and you've also got vitamin D, which is the sunshine vitamin. The scrub I absolutely love. You've got to remember the stressors of everyday life really take their toll on your skin. And if you're applying moisturizers and whatnot, you have to give your skin a chance to breathe. This scrub literally polishes your skin. It feels so good. And we use the active ingredients of peat, which is full of minerals, full of antioxidants, and full of goodness. I love a good eye gel, and this one is absolutely perfect for me. It's light, it's cooling. Again, it's got things like caffeine in there, avocado, all things you want to plump up the skin, reduce dark circles. We've also got this stainless steel nib applicator, which when you roll it along the contour of the eye, is just so refreshing. Now, we call it a beard oil. Do not be confused, because actually men without beards can use it too. But essentially what an oil does is going to soften the hair follicle and make the hair nicer and the texture better, and also nourish the skin underneath. Do you know, a hair product was obviously going to be a hero of this range, and I'm really fussy about what I'll put in my hair. And for me, the key things are I want a light, easy finish, I want a textured look, and I want hold. This also contains what I would call a superhero ingredient. It's Biaceable, which is a trademark product which helps stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. This is only the beginning, and I hope that we can grow this, and we'll add more to the range as it goes along, and hopefully people will love it as much as I do.